Hello everybody! So on this video we're going to show you how you can use the Respond tool to reply to Google Play Store reviews. So basically go to respond.mozilla.community, but I think I need to refresh your mind. Basically the Respond tool is a tool that the Sumo team has created to allow contributors to reply to Google Play Store reviews. So everything that you see here is reply or reviews that we receive in Google Play Store for Firefox for Android. So there are two options here. You can choose to respond or to moderate, but I think let's use the respond first. You can choose to respond or to skip. So let's just say that we want to skip. Let's say we want to reply to this one. So hello Gigi. And if you're not sure how to respond, you can check out the canned responses, and then you can choose based on category here. So for example, I'll say that this is a general one. So click on the box and the response will be copied, and you will just have to paste it here on the reply field and also add your signature here just to add some personalization. So although canned responses are great, but users' problems are unique, right? So we have to tweak also based on their problem. So for example here, hey Gigi, sorry to hear that you're having problem with Firefox for Android. There are two you can check out this article. And then you pasted the like the KB article for that specific purpose. I don't want to go through like the whole point of like investigating an issue, but basically after you're done with this, you can click done, and the answer or like your answer will be taken to the moderation queue here. So the moderation queue is basically like an approval queue, right? So there are going to be, we don't have anything on the moderate queue, but there will be a few questions for other contributors, basically to judge if this response is appropriate to be published or not. So yeah, basically 3 other contributors will have to say yes or like approve the reviews before your review get published on the Google Play Store. So that's how it works, how the tool works. And there's also help documentation here. So if you're looking for more help documentation, you can check out this menu. There will be a few tools as well that you can see, that can help you to reply questions and how to provide good responses. Here are a few tips here. But if you still have a question or anything that you'd like to ask the other Sumo contributors, please hop on. If you're on Slack, we have a Slack group, Slack channel, which is sumo_community. Or you can also go to the public metrics group, so chat.mozilla.org, and go to the Sumo room, and other fellow Sumo contributors will be glad to help you there. So yeah, I think that's all. Thanks for watching, and thanks for helping out on this campaign. Bye!